Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I am right here in Clark Air Base. So I'm going to take you around and show you how the place looks like. So let's get into the video. So guys, I'm in the Clark Air Base. Yeah. So this is a Hue. Yeah, Hue. This is a helicopter. Yeah. Helicopter. So it's actually a nice place though. Yeah, and this place is meant for public. Yeah, so I am permitted to come here. Yeah. So this, the Philippine Air Force helicopter, yeah, which has been used as tourist attraction. Yeah, it's very calm and clean in Clark always. Yeah, it's very calm and clean in Clark always. Yeah. So there's also the is it Jets 48661. Yeah, Philippine Air Force. Yeah, you see the ties with some it's not bad out here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Volt F8 Crusader. Yeah, the Volt F8 Crusader. A little history about it. Yeah. So actually this place is close to the airport. I mean the Clark International Airport. Yeah. This place is close to the Clark International Airport. It has some Christmas tree here. Yeah. So as you can see, some military officers over there. I don't know if you can see them clearly over there. Yeah. There's also another jet or plane. It's a nice place. I'll take this. This has the Philippine colors, blue, red, and white. Oh, this is not. It's not that clear though. I think it will be manageable to read. Okay. So let me take you to the machine gun. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, I am in Clark Air Base, where they've put in all these things here. I mean the plane and the jets here to serve as tourist attraction. Yeah, that's where exactly I am. So I'm taking you to the machine gun. There's a machine gun. I'm sure these were used in the American War between Vietnam. Yeah, the Vietnam days. Yeah. So there's the machine gun. So there's another machine gun. Let me check this one out. This one looked like the airstrike. Yeah, with some chairs. Yeah. So as you can see, Clark, like I always said, is one of the clean and beautiful places in the Philippines. Yeah. It's one of the beautiful places, or one of the beautiful places in the Philippines. Yeah. Check out this jet also, the Blue Diamonds. Yeah. Okay, so this is the F-5A jet fighter. Yeah, some little bit history about it. The F-5A jet fighter. Yeah. So I guess these were the jets which were used during the Vietnam days. Yeah. This is the Blue Diamond. Yeah, F-5A jet fighter. Yeah. So I'm going to check out this also, which is, these are all old-time jets. I think this is a two-seater jet. Yeah. That'll be fun. Let me see the name. I'll check the name out. Okay, so this is the T8. This is T28 Trojan. Tura. Wow. Tura. Trojan. T28 Trojan Tura. Yeah. So there's a little bit history about it. Okay. Yeah. So these are the playing ground for children. I mean kids. I don't know whether they are still functioning. Yeah. As you can see, they have bins around, so you can't just litter around. Yeah, definitely when you are having a garbage or a plastic, you have to dispose them in the bins. Yeah. So guys, I would like to end this video here. Yeah. But before I end this video, let me get closer to the Christmas tree and see what is written there. Let me see if there's a monument right here. Okay, there's nothing here though. Okay, so as I said, I would like to end this video here. Yeah, so yeah, shout out to some friends out there. Yeah, my African brothers in the Philippines, shout out to you guys. Then shout out to my Filipino brothers also, or let me say my Filipino family as well. Shout out to you guys and some friends in Qatar, Hong Kong, the United States of America, Canada, yeah, Europe. Yeah, shout out to you guys all. Yeah, one love. I'd like to end this video here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Yeah, give some likes and some comments so that we can get it moving. Anyway, peace out.